Mohammadpur is the largest heritage place in Southeast Asia.
This is speaking test taking place from English Fantasy. Your general name is Maharajul Islam. How may I address you? What's your name?
My name is Mohammad Riyad Hassan. You may address by calling Riyad.
Riyad. Okay, sir. Where are you from?
I grew up in Kishorganj. It is situated under Dhaka division.
Okay. Do you work or study?
I am a student, so I have nothing to do without study.
Okay. So, how much time do you spend at your job or work?
Okay, I usually spend 8 or 12 hours for studying. And I study a lot of time because it's make me wiser.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani, which is made by my mother, and I usually love to eat it.
Have you always liked pizza?
Sometimes I like to eat pizza. It's depend on the ingredients. There are different kind of pizza. If I specifically to say, I like pizza whose have cheese, more cheese.
Okay. Are there any foods you dislike?
Specifically to say, I can eat anything, so I don't have any kind of food which I dislike most.
Okay. Do you enjoy using technology?
Of course, today is the day of modern science, so we are bound to use modern technology. I usually use my technology whole the day. Like I wake up from alarm and I use technology whole day.
Do you use the internet for your studies?
Of course, definitely yes. Because when I want to study, that time I have to use ChatGPT. It's give me some topic on and also help me for reading. I am usually used to reading classes from YouTube, so it's help me very well.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. This is your end of part 1. Right now, I'll give you one cue card. You have 1 minute for taking preparation. After that, you have to speak up to 2 minutes. This is your cue card. If you want, you can take some notes. Okay, sir. You may start.
Okay, sir. Actually, Bangladesh is a country which is enriched in heritage place. So I would like to talk about the place which I visited last time. There are many kind of visited places like Moinamoti, Paharpur, Shat Gambuz Masjid, Lal Bagh Kella. Actually, I have visited Moinamoti last year. It is a place which is architected by Buddhist, and there are many kind of architect on the wall. If you went there, then you will be able to see many kind of artwork, and there are also mosque named 60 Dome Mosque, which is situated in Bagherhat. In this mosque there are many kind of many dome, and if I talk about the heritage which is situated under the Dhaka, and it should be Ahsan Manzil, which is called by Pink Palace, and there the environment of Ahsan Manzil is too much good. Now I want to jump in. Paharpur is the largest heritage place in Southeast Asia, which is made by Buddhist. Shows us the architect of Buddhist, and the Bangladesh have many kind of heritage place, and there are also.
Okay, so thank you very much. This is the end of part 2. Right now, I will ask you some question which is related about your cue card. Does your country have any tourist place?
Of course, there are many tourist places in our country like Cox's Bazar, Sitakundo, Jaflong. There are also many kind of visiting place. I usually like to visiting twice in a month. Last time I have visited Sitakundo, which was very elegable and enjoyable for me, and I have enjoyed the hiking most.
Okay. Your country has good tourism sectors than another country. What do you think?
Actually, Bangladesh has many kind of tourist place. If I compare it between among another country, it also quite good, because there are also many kind of sea beach like Cox's Bazar, Potenga, Saint Martin. And if I say about the hiking, then there are also many kind of hill like Sitakundo, Tajingdong Bijoy. If I say about the waterfalls, there are also many kind of waterfalls like Jaflong and many kind of waterfalls. So it is quite beautiful than other countries.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. This is your end of speaking test. So if I want to give some feedback about your speaking, in part 1 you have done very well. But could you give me your cue card? Your cue card was describe a heritage place that is common for people of your country. So it means I have asked you only one place. You should have told me that one place is not lots of places.